In an extraordinary display of endurance and determination, 22-year-old Welkin Stone Shaddap, a botany student at Northeastern Hill University, has completed a remarkable 330-kilometer journey on foot from Itanagar to Shillong to spread awareness against drug abuse. Here is more on this news.
Welkin set off on this adventure on September 30th, traversing challenging terrains over 8 days alongside his brother and friends. On October 8, he arrived at the Nehu campus to a hero's welcome, where he was felicitated by R.L. Nongkla, Dean of Students' Welfare.
Kumtu himan kasingi ya bisan posan kilometer hadu dengi poi mentah ni ha Nehu ke thongjing ke dei lai spa propo kilometer rai ngimsem lawan pun lai spa propo nomor ki don kisngi ba ka shit parat ka benang stisha asam taka jingya jingi kalong ba ngi ya ban peni ba mangi hinikong ngide ki ta ki ba persai drugs ba ka jingya pangi kwa ban bu jingmud haki khna samla ban bu jingmud haki khna ro ki blang ki samla ba kin numngop hu drugs samar nitib hu drugs poise boro hingi tip kata ta ban crunch phang drugs boro kilalong botib henry ka jingthu ko ka jangi kalong ba ngin ai ka jing kershan bar ngin ai ka jing phliu ko jingmud yaki paras khna samla bakin le ki ba ban kintiu kan.
This isn't Welkin's first feat. He holds the Asia Book of Record for completing a 101.54 kilometer walked in just one day.
Aisyah kadang red bah kata ka kilometer ba ya sini kan. Ya marsin peji kumtung yang lada ngin le ni la da busuk hiban penken ta ngila le da macam sedam hau arpun rutrek ucang Januari Republik dia ni la yo ban penken ya ketuk rekod menta ka la ngila set sispa waypoint san pusau.
Welkin expressed gratitude for the support he received from the local businesses and the state government, which he helped make this journey possible.
Took up this initiative to create an awareness against the drug abuse with the theme Healthy Minds, Healthy Lives. We are very proud of him. He has done, like at this young age, he has been able to think about the negative impact which the drugs have on the society. So we hope that with his initiative, the youngsters would become more aware of the side effects or the negative effects of the drug abuse.
With plans to tackle even greater challenges ahead, Welkin invites others to join him in creating awareness about important social issues. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.